Like I said in the short video, we are back to making videos. We are back working on Hyundai. So, quick recap. Video was posted about a year ago. Pulled this motor out of a Hyundai. It had somebody hit something in the road, broke the rear heater core line off, drove it until it wouldn't drive anymore. You saw in the video we had oil. Well, this is the front cylinder. This cylinder head, we had oil and coolant leaking out of this surface. Now, right now I'm working on smoothing out the head. I'm waiting on my sandpaper to come in from Amazon. Some Dicam fluid. We're going to flatten this head and deck surface out. Unfortunately, machine shops in my area have just gotten too expensive just to do the head. In my area, you're looking at a valve job, valve stem seals, hot tank and cleaning. You're looking about $1,000 a head, and you can buy these heads for not much more than that brand new. Well, that's completely out of the budget. So we're going to flatten them out ourselves. We're going to get them within spec. And parts have come down for these, so that's one reason why we've been able to kick this off finally. How parts have gotten cheaper in the past year, I could not tell you. It makes no sense to me, but we are going back with, at this point, all OEM parts. OEM head gasket, all these seals, O-rings, everything is OEM from Hyundai. So Hyundai, Kia, whatever. So that's really good reliability. The engine overhaul kit should be here in the next few days. And when that comes in, I'll be able to see what it does and does not come with. I do not think it's coming with injector seals. This engine is direct injected. So we have our intake port. That's where our injectors go. And there's going to be some other odds and ends I'm sure it's not going to come with. So right now the big focus is get the heads and the deck surface flat, get them back on, torque down, that way they're sealed up. But I'll kind of bring you along with this process of how, I kind of do a garage build. You can also go follow my buddy J-Rod on TikTok and Instagram, I think. I don't know. He can comment down below and let you know. But I'm borrowing the glass idea from him for his Hyundai build. So, yeah. Go follow him. Give me a like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Stay tuned. We will be going for a much-needed ride here Father's Day weekend. So stay tuned. We're going to have a good time.